In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear door check. To get started on this job, open your rear door and press on your yellow button. While you have that pressed in, you can continue opening the door a little further, and that releases the check from the latching assembly inside of the door. To continue, you're going to find that you have two T27 mounting bolts that hold this in place. If you were to pull this weather barrier away a little bit, you're going to be able to find that you have one screw right inside this area. And then if you were to take the rubber and move it the other direction, you'll find that you have one closer to this springed area. Remove the pair and slide the door check out of position. Grab onto that door check, give it a little wiggle, and remove it from the area. Okay friends, let's get ready to mount our brand new door check. Looking at this, you'll find that the mounting holes are slotted. Have a look at the original one. You'll be able to see exactly where the heads of your mounting bolts were located. On our application, they were pretty much directly in the center of each of the slots. So when I go to install my new door check, I'm going to try to get them into the exact same position. Let's take this and slide it in position up against the body of the vehicle. Once you have it there, continue on with your two mounting bolts. We're only going to start each of these in. Once they're both started, you can align the door check and then snug them up. Now that I have them both started, I'll try to center this for my application. Once you have it mounted, the next thing you want to do is test its functionality. We're going to carefully try shutting the door. What should happen is this area right here should go right along the very edge of this and then slide in position inside the door, latching it in place. I heard a nice little click, and now as I try to open the door, you can tell that it does not open up all the way. Let's continue on by testing its functionality by pressing in our button and making sure it releases. Perfect. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.